You've probably used ChatGPT to write emails, ask questions, or just for fun. But have you ever stopped and thought, how does this thing actually work? How can a computer hold a conversation, write a poem, or even help you code in seconds? No jargon. No PhD required. Today, we're breaking down how ChatGPT really works in a way anyone can understand. Let's start simple. ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI. It's trained to understand and generate human-like text, kind of like a really advanced autocomplete on steroids. But it doesn't think like a human. It doesn't know facts. It doesn't browse the internet in real time. It just predicts the next word in a sentence based on patterns it learned from billions of sentences. ChatGPT was trained on a huge slice of the internet. Books, websites, articles, and more, all fed into a powerful algorithm. During training, the AI looked at tons of sentences and learned. If this is the beginning of a sentence, what usually comes next? It learned grammar, tone, logic, not by being taught like a student, but by spotting patterns in how humans communicate. And over time, it got really good at predicting what sounds human. Let's say you type, "How do airplanes fly?" ChatGPT doesn't look that up. Instead, it uses its training to generate the most likely answer. Word by word, it's kind of like playing a game of super smart guess the next word at light speed. But here's the twist: the better your prompt, the better the output. Because the AI responds to what you give it, not what it knows. The real power comes from a model called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Sounds scary, but let's break it down. Generative, it creates stuff like text. Pre-trained, it learned on a massive dataset before you ever used it. Transformer, a fancy neural network that understands context and relationships between words. This is what allows ChatGPT to write a rap battle, answer your homework, or explain quantum physics in the same session. Let's be real, Chat isn't perfect. It does not have feelings. It does not understand like a human. And yes, sometimes it makes things up. We call that hallucination. It also doesn't know anything that happened after its last training cutoff unless it's been updated or connected to the internet. So while it's powerful, it's still just predictive text with a brain. ChatGPT is just the beginning. This technology is already transforming education, business, healthcare, coding, creative writing, and more. It's like the calculator, but for language. And just like calculators changed how we do math, I will change how we communicate, work, and learn. So how does ChatGPT work? It's not magic. It's a super smart tool trained to recognize patterns in language, and guess what comes next really well. The better you talk to it, the better it talks back. If you want to master the future, it helps to understand how this stuff works. So hit that subscribe button, and let's keep exploring the digital world together.